Yo, we're on the job now, and today we're installing a Sync EV car charger, which they've kindly sent to us to give our feedback and review, which is big up for them for sending it, yeah? So we've got it out the box. Everything's ready to go, really. We've mounted the template on the wall, and this is where it's going to be sited. We're fitting this car charger just because the 7.5 metre cable will be perfect to get to their car, which is on the drive there. So nice, we got it marked up. We'll get the drill out now, bust some holes in the wall. So this job we're installing it on, you might recognise from another video where we changed the fuse board and obviously changed these down lights to the JCC down lights. So we've got Scotty on the drill. Look at this. Joined by the rep from the Seco BG and a videographer. We've gone up in the world, didn't we? Oh no, oh no. We're just basically, I'm Leonardo DiCaprio for the day, you know. Scott can be like McLovin or something. Yeah, Scott's just drilled through, so the car charger's being mounted on that wall. It's drilled through here, so it's literally just got to go through into the cupboard, into our board. We're feeding it with 32 amp MCB, which is going to go on there, and we've got a Cat 5 to go in, which the CT clamp will just go around the live to monitor the usage and what they're using, so it can limit the charge on the charger. It's our first charger that we've fitted. So far it looks really nice quality. Hopefully it's easy to set up and install. So yeah, we'll get the mounting kit out now, get it mounted. We haven't used EV Ultra cable just because we're going straight through the wall, and obviously it costs a fortune. So we've got some 4mm HO7 for the feed, and then we're just going to put a black Cat 5 through as well for our CT clamp. So Scott's just marked it up with the marksman with the template. We're going to be putting the 4mm HO7 straight through the wall with the Cat 5 straight into our plate, which is going there, which Scott's just unpacking the bits and pieces. You alright, Scott?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to say anything?
Hello.
You need chatty? So with this, we've obviously got the charger itself. We've got a holster to hold the lead in, the charge lead. So that will either screw above or below, depending on what it looks like when it's on. We'll probably break it as well. We've got the CT clamp in here, which that'll just connect onto our Cat 5 either end into the charger, and obviously round the live tail in there. We've then got a little, this is nice. I like the look of this. So that's our mains in, obviously from the fuse board into that, and then push fit, I'd imagine, into the charger, but we'll open that up in a sec. Look at that, Scott. Halfway was you?
Guess the colour as well.
You're a good lad, are you? So we'll get that open and have a look inside, and then get the plate mounted on the wall. So we've got this open now. Here's our lead coming in, which is our charge lead. That's going to go straight into one of the connectors, and then the other connector will be our mains in from the board. So looks nice, really nice, well built, robust. Little level in there for mounting. Scott's just drilled the holes out ready for the screws to go through. I'll get these popped out now, the little factory holes. Get them popped out, and then drill the knockout out there, which we're going to be using. We'll put a grommet in there, which is here. We'll get that in, and then get our cables through. Back's been drilled out now, and we've put the grommet that it comes supplied with ready to be mounted on the wall. So get Scott to fix that up now. Measured it, it's got a nice little level in there, so we can check that it's level, and then we will crack on inside. So the ting's on the wall now. Use the little level there. Got the screws in, pulled our cable through. There's our HO7, there's our Cat 5 ready to connect in for the CT. Mains connection, we're going to get the connectors out now, connect them onto our cable, get it pushed into there, get our CT made off into the charging unit, and then we'll go inside and have a look at that. So in here, obviously mains, get our HO7 into there, get it plugged in, get the charge lead plugged in, have a look through the instructions in a second, see what we need to do with these, and see where our CT connections go, and then get that connected up as well. I'm pretty sure that'll be the CT, but we'll just have to look what this is here. We've just had a look through the instructions, and basically if we scan this QR code, it takes us to the portal where you register as an installer, so you can register the charger itself. We'd already done that previous to the video, so cheers, Scott. Cheers, mate. So we've downloaded the app now, and it's got an instruction video of what you need to do to install it, and it's also got different step-by-step things for commissioning via the app. So we've downloaded that, we've had a quick look, we know what we're doing now. Let's get the thing on the wall. It's mounted on the wall now and it's connected up. So we've got our Cat 5 here into our CT connections there, and then we've got our mains coming out the wall into the connector, through, into the contactor, and then back out. And then this connector here goes down to our charge lead. So that will be mounted, he says, here it is. That will be mounted into this, so little holster there, whether we put it there or there, anywhere around there. What we're going to do is when it's finished, we'll wrap the cable around the charger itself and then see roughly where the plug lands to make it nice and neat, and mount the holster accordingly. Scott's in there now, just getting our cable runs in. So cables come out there, he's just got to drill them in, find a way up to our board, and obviously the mains is there, so he can connect on the CT clamp, which is there. I've left the wire goes on the end ready for Scotty to strip it and get that on as well. So in the app's been downloaded now, registered, scan the QR code, put the pin code in that comes with the unit, and now that's telling us to power the device up. So once the power's in, flick the power on, and then we'll see what it says from there. So inside now, we've come through with our 4mm HO7 straight through the back, 32 amp MCB there. Obviously we've connected the neutrals and the IFO, and then we've got our CT clamp onto there, which is why I go through to our Cat 5. So let's get it powered on and have a look. So we've put the initial power on now. I'm going to go back into the app and see what the next steps are. The charger's mounted, I don't know if you can see, blue lights on. I've set it up through the app, and that was a really straightforward process basically. Scan the QR code within the installer app, put the pin code in that it comes with, and then just register it to your account, and then you've just got to set whether you want it to plug and play, so plug it in and it charges straight away, or whether you've got to plug it in and then you have to press on the app to confirm, just in case people are charging their car on your drive at night, which you didn't know. I don't know, but yeah, we've set it to plug and charge now, just so it's easier for when they get the car. They've just got to put it in, but that can be changed through the installer app, so if he does want it changed, it's just the click of a button and it's done. But yeah, all set up. We've got the tester out the van now, so we're going to get this on with our EV adapter, simulate a couple of different scenarios, so faults, see what it does, where it trips from, how long it takes to reset, that sort of thing, and then take our test results, and then most of the commissioning's done then. So nice. So charger's on, powered up, all commissioned through the app. Set it up on the customer's phone so that they've got the app so they can monitor it and charge it if they want the setting changed to charge through the app. We've still got the holster to go up, which I'm thinking about there, middle of the wall, just so it makes that coil come down nicely. Plug it in, slot her in, and away we go. We've tested a ZS through the plug charger, but I think my adapter is faulty because it's tripping it for some reason. But we can take the ZS from inside the charger itself onto the connection, so we can get our test results from there. We've checked the RCD within the unit, that trips out perfectly. We've done a ramp test on it, and obviously all our normal tests on it, and that's tripping out excellent, which is what we like. So we're going to get this sent back because it's clearly faulty. But our readings for what we need, we've got, like I say, from the connections. We've got a bit of tidying up to do inside, and then we've got the holster to mount, and then we'll come back and I'll let you know what we think of it all together. So we're all done here. We've put the holster on, just click it off, click it in when you're done, wrap the cable around. Nice! Yeah, really nice, really happy with it, to be fair. There's nothing at all that I can moan about. The setup was straightforward, and it's all really, really fast, even with just down to the push fit connectors, the way it goes, things like that. Everything on it is designed basically to make it fast, I think. So yeah, really happy with it. Scott's happy, ain't you, Scott?
Oh, yeah.
Scott's always happy. Customer's happy. we've run it through with them what they need to do when the car comes. Basically plug it in and play it. That's how we've set it up. But yeah, there's loads of different settings that you can mess with. You have to set the fuse rating of the house. Obviously, for it to work with the CT clamp, it needs to know what it's protecting basically. So we've set it the same as the fuse. That way, if anything's turned on, like the shower, anything like that, this will then, the CT clamp will pick it up, send it back to the charger, and the charger will limit the charge so you're not blowing the main fuse in your house, because that would be a nice firework display that you don't want in your kitchen. So yeah, it's nice. So that's it, charger installed, nice job. We're not turning into artisan. We're not going to have charger videos every week, don't worry. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's a nice product, nice to fit, fast to install. Really nice. Big up everyone for watching. Big up my members. Big up my subscribers. If you haven't already, press subscribe. Obviously, it helps us grow. Leave a little like, leave a comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us if you fitted the chargers. Tell us if you like it. If you don't like it, tell us. Because the algorithm, you know what I'm saying, League. But yeah, big up. Scotty.
Hi.
What a hero.
You like that?
Yeah, thanks for watching. I will leave Lucico, Lekeko, Lucico, however you say it. I'll leave their link in the description to their channel, because they've also made a video of us today, which is probably why we haven't got as much footage as we normally would, but they'll be putting a video out on their channel, so pop over there and subscribe to their channel, ready for theirs to come out. So yeah, big up yourselves. See you later. Ta-ra.